Morning, ladies. I did a set yesterday that I'd already posted on YouTube, and also the group that I'm with this design. Now, I originally posted because of the unicorn horn, this, but a lot of people were asking how to create this effect. So, and I didn't record that, so that's what I'm going to do on this now today. Show you how I created that. I'm just going to move that out of the way. First off, I'm using this. It's Pearl from Chintys. Just going to warm it up a bit. Now we're going to need at least 2 or 3 coats of this, because it is a pearl and you're putting it onto a natural coloured tip. It doesn't really show up that much, but I mean, can you see there is like a purpley shimmer to it? So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So I've done 2 coats. You can see that. So these are the products that I'm using today. Clear flexigel, basic. These, which are from Smileys. And my Kirsty Meakin size 8 gel brush that I got for Christmas. Let's give it a clean. So now we're going to base it. Just 1 coat. Now I don't want you to cure it. very, very time consuming. Like I said, it is very time consuming, but the effects that you get are bloody awesome. A little bit different to the one I done yesterday. When you are happy with your design, cure it. So I'm going to encapsulate it. So you want to push it all the way up to the cuticle, ensuring that you leave enough space so that you're not touching the skin. Making sure that you're smoothing it over all the time. This will help reduce your filing if you're keeping it nice and smooth. Making sure when you come to your side walls that you are keeping it thin, tucking it in, and just keep smoothing down the nail. If your brush starts sticking to the flexigel, then just give it a dip into your slip it or whatever you're using, alcohol. I'm just going to take this little bit off at the end, neaten this up. Ensure that you've covered every part of your, whether it be gel, glitters, or glitter shapes like what I've used here. Always keep that cuticle area nice and clean. When you're happy that you've covered everything, then we can cure it. So there we have it. So that's the one I done yesterday, a little bit different. This is the one I done today. So now we're going to file the sides. Use your index finger to support your file. Use your fingers to support the length of the nail, so like that. Make sure you're filing from your natural side wall. If you're doing a stiletto, then obviously that would be your square, and then you angle it, but you still got to be coming out from your natural free edge and your side walls, and then you would file nice and straight, and then you do the same on the other side. Cuticles. If it was a normal person, you would, this part of the skin here, you'd be able to pull up so that you're not touching it. I can't with this one, obviously. So gently, best files are banana files or half moon files. Gently go around the cuticle. Don't need to go like this, just gently around like so, using your file to bring it round so that you're following the shape of that cuticle like so. This will help to get a nice flush effect to the nail. And then obviously you would file over the top. I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to use my e-file with a sanding belt on, just for quickness. But because I've already done really the work to keep it nice and smooth and even, I don't really need to do a lot of going over the top. Tidy up. And then I'm going to use a buffer. I use a CJP buffer. It's 100 to 180 grit, and it's brilliant. What a buffer does is it takes off the scratches that you've just created by using the file. So I'll try and give you an example. See, can you see this is smooth now? This side's still all scratched. So what we want is we want all that smooth side there. Remembering to support that nail, support the finger. Try and keep your file moving, don't keep it in the same spot for too long. Or even your buffer, because you don't want to generate heat on your client or your family member or even yourself. Right, when you're happy with that, clean it with some cleanser, or ask the client to go and wash their hands, etc. And now you're ready for top coat. So today's top coat I'm using Urban Graffiti by Nail Nails. I've run out of my gelor. And we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And there we have it. Frosted, encapsulated, 3D effect jewels. And then you would wait a minute or so. If this was a client or yourself, you don't want to put cuticle oil straight on your top coat, because it's just come out of the lamp, so it's going to be warm, which would, if you apply cuticle oil on top or around, it would dull the shine. So because it's still warm, so you just want to wait a minute or two before applying it. So you just apply it there. You don't really want to apply it onto the nail, and you just massage it in, because it will seep through anyway. But yeah, there we go, ladies. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a like, give me a subscribe for future videos. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.